What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Into My GT Entertainment, and I am Joel. Today we'll do a little video on, I guess, preventative maintenance. What I like to do, since my car is supercharged, I kind of like to go through a little checklist. You don't really need to do it until I guess you have an issue, or if you want to prevent an issue, I would kind of advise it. And the reason why I do what I do is because of the supercharger itself. Because like I said, with the supercharger, you have it spinning at a different velocity. Things get worn out a little easier and stuff like that. So I want to show you what I'm talking about with the belt, because the belt itself has grooves put in it. Now it could be a I don't want to say a custom, that's not the right word, but it could be happening for two or three different reasons. I'll show you what I'm looking at and you tell me. Alright everyone, as you can see, I'm here, and if you look at my belt, there's little grooves cut into the belt themselves. Now that could be from two or three different things. There's something on a pulley in here that is, you know, getting dirt on it or whatever, and it's just causing a line on it. It could be dirt itself, because if you look up here, it is a straight up hole and the pulley is sitting in front of that. So it could be that, you know, dirt and dust and whatever getting in there while it's spinning, you know, causing the thing to do that. And then another thing, it may not be tight enough and it might be slipping. So what we're going to do today, at least what I'm going to do, is take the belt off and go ahead and inspect it and make sure it's okay. It should be, but like I said, I just want to make sure that it's fine and not having any underlying issues that I didn't want to accommodate when I'm going down the road. You know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and get my stuff that I need, and we'll see you in 1 sec. And one more thing, I always have spares with me, so that way if that one is bad, I can change it. Like I said, I don't think it's bad, I just think it's ugly. So I think we'll be okay with that belt, that putting it back on. But if not, I got a black belt right here, or another green belt right behind it. And I have another green belt sitting in my trunk. So I have plenty of belts to replace it if need be. So let me get to that point and we'll see you in a minute. Alright everyone, basically all you need to do for the Mustang is to have one of these. You see that right there? I want to say, what size is this thing? I don't know. I don't know what size it is. It's the bigger, the medium of the two. So what you want to do is in here, and I don't know if my camera's going to go dark, so hold on. In here, you'll have the tensioner pulley, which is right here. On the side of that, there's a slot for that to fit in. And all you got to do is move the tension off and pull the belt off. So I'll show you how that works here in 1 minute. Okay, as you can see, the tool is in there. And it is, I don't know if you can get a good view of that. But it is on the pulley. So all you have to do, pull this down and then pull the belt off. Now I can't really record it at the same time, but just to give you the idea of that's how you do it. So we will see you in 1 sec. Alright everyone, I got the belt right here in my hand, and by examining it, it seems to be a-okay. There is a little bit of a fray on one of the ends, but it's no big deal. It's right there. I can get the thing not floating around right there on that corner, but that's not a big deal. It's not inside of it, and it's not causing any issues. So like I said, I might just switch out the belt. I'll keep this one as a spare, and just ride with a newer one till Mustang Week, and then switch over to the green one. So let me go ahead and do that real fast, and we'll see where we're at. Alright everybody, as you can see, I just changed it over to the black belt. I just did it to do it. Like the other belt's fine, I hung it up. So I'll keep that for backup. But this is a brand new belt. And I want to see how this one wears. And I tend to forget how to run this thing sometimes, because if you look at that, that is your pattern to do it. It's not your typical in a circle. It kind of goes this way, that way, this way, that, you know. So just because of that thing right there. So I will go ahead and start her up, make sure she's fine, and then we'll go on a little trip, go get some gas, have a little combo, and see where we're at. See you in a minute. All right, everybody, there you go. There's the new belt on there. I'm gonna go ahead and give her a spin real quick and see that she is on there fine. It doesn't wobble or try to throw itself off. But yeah, that's the new belt. And like I said, I just put this on because the other one had a little bit of cuts in it and stuff. But looking at this belt, since this one's brand new, it has the cuts in it, so it may be just the way it's designed, because this has never been on the car before, as you can see. So probably no harm, no foul. But like I said, I'll go ahead and run with this one for now and throw the other one on later if I need it. As you can see, everything seems to be good. We'll go ahead and go get some gas now and go take her for a ride, and we'll have a conversation in the car. All right, see you there. So what's going on, everybody? We're here in the car about to get gas. I get gas at Costco. It's 93. It's supposed to be top tier gas. I've been running it forever in my car. So what gas do you run in your car? Because everybody goes, well, you need to go to Shell and you need to go to XYZ. So what do you run in your car? At one point or another, I think I'm going to be running E in this car. I don't know exactly when. Maybe when I start building the motor itself up, if I ever get to that point. But like I said, it's top tier gas, so you know, I haven't had no problems with it. The car runs fine. It's been boosted for, you know, 3 years off of it, off pump gas, and no issues whatsoever. So, but just a curious question. So like I said, what do y'all want to see on this channel? Like I said, I've pretty much built up Electra to the point where, you know, I'm happy with her for right now. I have Project 6 staying that I can mess with. Maybe do something to Pam's car, Stormy. I would really like to boost her car, maybe with a VMP blower, another Whipple. I want a root style blower. I don't want a Roush. I'm not really too fond of Roushes, I guess, per se. But nothing's wrong with them, but everybody has a preference. And then I don't want a turbine type style blower like a Powerdyne, and not a Powerdyne, excuse me, a ProCharger, Vortec type stuff. I don't want that type of setup on that. Because with this setup that I have going on now, it drives just like a normal car, and it's great. I have no issues with it. It doesn't surge on me. It doesn't do anything weird. The only thing it does weird is when you're running the AC, it'll fluctuate a little bit. If you're on normal travel, like on the interstate and stuff like that, you don't notice it. It's just with your stop and go traffic, it would surge. Sometimes it would cut off just because. I think that's just a byproduct of having a blower. I've talked to a couple different people, and they're tuned by different people also, and you know, it's kind of what happens. My wife has a tune with no blower, and hers does a weird surge when she first starts off. Not so much with the air running, but you know, when it first starts off. But hey, I'm gonna get gas real quick, and I'll continue this conversation in 1 second. Alright guys, we're done with that now. We're gonna go ahead and possibly go get something to eat real fast. Oh, get in the people's ways. But anyway, sorry about that. Yeah, I think we're gonna go get something to eat real fast and continue the discussion with whatever you want to talk about. Like I said, I don't really have anything written out for today. Like I said, might might be a little loud, I'm sorry. Got the window down. What type of gas you put in your car? What type of supercharger would you like to put on your ride? What projects would you like to see on this channel? Like I said, I like to do the kind of like I did at the beginning of the video where, you know, I kind of showed you some of the things, preventive maintenance type stuff, adding. Like I said, I don't have too much left to do on this car. May want to get into, you know, maybe doing some E down the road, or maybe getting into the motor later on. Like I said, my car still runs pretty strong, so I don't really have a purpose for it to do what I got to do, you know, to get into the motor itself. There's no signs of it, you know, messing up. Got an oil change due. I might do that Friday. So just want to get with y'all and figure out what y'all are interested in and what y'all want to see. Like I said, we're all going to Mustang Week, and we're going to have a lot of stuff going on, but if I could build stuff up to Mustang Week, that'll be kind of awesome too. So, but let me just get with y'all once I get my food. See you in a minute. Yeah, so as I was saying, I got myself some food, some Mickey D's. Best fries in the world, man. Y'all got a place that's better fries, let me know. But for right now, it's pretty good. Oh, sorry about that. Got a little popo next to me and a little undercoverness going on. So, just got to chill a little bit. But we'll catch you at the house. See you in a minute. All right, everybody, about to pull into the driveway now. Like I said, just kind of have some random thoughts today, and you know, wanted to show y'all a little video of the belt installation and kind of maintenance that I do with my car. Like I said, it didn't need to be done, but like I said, I have so many belts that I keep, and I like to run different ones just to see which ones work the best. To me, I'm running Gates, and that seems to be the better ones that I have. The green belts are the stronger ones, are the Fleet ones, and like I said, those are supposed to be a stronger belt. So I don't know if they aren't, but they seem to work pretty good. Right now I got the same version but in black, and we're going to go ahead and try that out and see how that works out for it. Well, get in here. All right. Like I said, I'm going to eat and then close out this video, but I just wanted to throw some stuff out here today and see what y'all want to see, what y'all don't want to see. Like I said, I've been doing a lot of stuff with Derek, and y'all seem to be enjoying that. Sinister's trying to get some stuff done. Like I said, we're going to have 5 YouTubers go with us to Mustang Week, so it's going to be kind of an interesting trip down there and everything else. But like I said, let me get my food and we'll close out this video. Alright, everybody, so that'll be the video for today. Like I said, it's a little here and there and kind of discusses this, that, and the other, but like I said, the main part of the video, sorry, all over the place, was checking the belts and putting on the new ones. So you can see it's not that big of a deal, but with the Whipple, it reroutes your belt and it kind of has a little different look to it. But from what I could tell, everything is good, and we'll keep trucking. Like I said, I just wanted to do some maintenance on it today, check some stuff, make sure the battery was charging the way it's supposed to, and little odds and ends. You know, the car sits a lot because I don't really have anywhere to go these days, so you know, we do what we can, right? So we'll catch you on the next video. You know what to do. Subscribe, and like I said, comment below what y'all want to see. I'll see if I can get it done for y'all. I want to put out a lot more content here going towards Mustang Week, so if y'all have any suggestions, just let us know. So we'll see you on the next one, and peace and be safe.